Getting Roblox error code 279. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do the quick fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection because unstable network often trigger this error. Next, clear your browser cache. If you're on Chrome, go to settings and then privacy and clear browsing data. And clear cache cookies. Disable any browser extensions or ad blockers. They can block Roblox scripts and cause error 279. Try switching browsers. Sometimes Roblox works better on Edge or Firefox than Chrome. Ensure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Roblox. Add Roblox to the exceptions or temporarily disable security software to test. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall Roblox. A fresh install often fixes persistent error 279 problems. Follow these steps and you'll be back in the game in no time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.